Hey there, food lovers! Today we're making the most delightful chocolate ice cream cheesecake ever. Imagine a forkful of creamy chocolate cheesecake, cool ice cream, and a crunchy cookie crust. Each bite is pure bliss for your taste buds. The real star is the chocolate ice cream cheesecake layer, rich, velvety, and creamy, with perfect chocolatey goodness. It's like your favorite ice cream and cheesecake had a delicious baby. Ready to get started? Gather up your chocolate, cookies, cream cheese, and ice cream. Lay everything out on your counter so you're ready to go. This is going to be fun. Every baker needs a treasure map. Ours is the ingredients list. Think of it as your guide to a delicious adventure, where every item plays a crucial role in the final masterpiece. Before you even preheat your oven or grab your mixing bowl, let's take a moment to appreciate the magic that happens when simple ingredients come together. Gather everything before you start for a smooth, stress-free experience. Laying out your ingredients saves time and ensures you won't be scrambling mid-recipe. For the crust, you'll need just two simple components, but they set the stage for everything that follows. Measure out 2 cups of chocolate sandwich cookie crumbs, which is about 20 to 24 cookies, depending on their size. Crush them finely for a uniform, sturdy base that holds together beautifully. Add 6 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter. This binds the crumbs and gives your crust that irresistible, rich flavor. Mix until every crumb glistens. For the filling, gather 16 ounces of full-fat cream cheese at room temperature. This ensures a silky, lump-free texture. Add 1½ cups of powdered sugar for sweetness and smoothness. Next, sift in a ½ cup of unsweetened cocoa powder for deep chocolate flavor, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for warmth, and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness and enhance all the flavors. You'll also need 2 cups of your favorite chocolate ice cream, softened just enough to blend smoothly into the filling. This adds a creamy, dreamy texture and an extra punch of chocolate. Pour in 1 cup of chilled heavy cream. Whipping this into the filling makes it light and airy, almost mousse-like. For the fudge sauce, set aside another ½ cup of heavy cream. Chop up 4 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. The better the chocolate, the richer your sauce will be, so choose one you'd happily eat on its own. Add 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup for shine and smoothness, and 1 tablespoon of butter for a glossy, luscious finish. These little touches make your fudge sauce truly decadent. For the toppings, whip up 1 cup of heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and a ½ teaspoon of vanilla. Finish with chocolate shavings or mini chips for a beautiful professional look and a satisfying crunch. Use the best ingredients you can. Full-fat cream cheese and real vanilla make a difference. High-quality basics elevate your dessert from good to unforgettable. Pick a chocolate ice cream you love because its flavor shines through in every bite. Don't be afraid to taste test a few brands to find your favorite. Once you've got everything measured and ready, you're set to create a show-stopping dessert. Organization is the secret ingredient to baking success. With your ingredients prepped and your excitement building, let's move on and start building our dessert castle, one delicious layer at a time. It's time to build the foundation of our chocolate masterpiece, the crust. Think of this as the fortress that will hold all the creamy, dreamy filling to come. The crust is more than just a base. It's the first bite, the first crunch, and the first burst of chocolate flavor you'll taste. Start by crushing your chocolate sandwich cookies into fine, even crumbs. You can use a food processor for speed and consistency, or go old school with a rolling pin and a sturdy plastic bag. Either way, make sure you crush them thoroughly. No big chunks. The finer the crumbs, the better your crust will hold together. Next, pour your cookie crumbs into a mixing bowl and drizzle in melted butter. Stir everything together until every crumb is coated and the mixture resembles wet sand. Take a moment to enjoy that rich chocolate butter aroma wafting up. It's a little preview of the deliciousness ahead. Now, transfer the buttery crumbs into a 9-inch springform pan. Press the mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom, and don't forget to push it just a bit up the sides. This helps create a sturdy wall that will keep your filling perfectly contained. For a professional finish, compact the crust with the back of a spoon or a flat-bottomed measuring cup. This step ensures that your base is even and dense and won't crumble when you slice into your cheesecake later. Once your crust is shaped, pop the pan into the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. This quick chill helps the butter solidify, locking the crumbs together and giving you a firm, crunchy base. This simple step is the secret to a crust that holds up under even the creamiest fillings. You'll end up with a base that's both crisp and chocolatey, ready to support every decadent layer you add next. A well-made, sturdy crust means you'll get perfect, picture-worthy slices every time. No crumbling, no mess, just pure chocolate bliss in every bite. So let's get that crust chilling while we move on to the next delicious step. Our chocolate fortress is almost ready. Onward to chocolatey goodness. As our crust cools to perfection, it's time to dive into the rich and luxurious chocolate filling that will make this cheesecake truly irresistible. Let's whip up the creamy heart that will take this dessert to the next level. Beat room temperature cream cheese until smooth, no lumps allowed. Gradually add powdered sugar and sifted cocoa, mixing until just combined. Add vanilla and a pinch of salt to boost the chocolate flavor. Beat until the mixture looks like rich chocolate frosting. In a separate chilled bowl, whip heavy cream to stiff peaks. Gently fold whipped cream into the chocolate mixture to keep it airy. Fold in softened chocolate ice cream until just combined. Don't overmix. You want a smooth, fluffy, chocolatey cloud. That's your filling. Simple, luscious, and ready for the crust. Let's bring it all together in the next step. Get ready for the big chill. The grind is over. Now it's time to kick back and revel in the excitement. Retrieve your firm crust from the freezer. Pour the chocolate filling into the crust and spread it evenly. Smooth the top or make pretty swirls, your choice. Cover the pan tightly with plastic wrap, touching the surface, and then foil. This keeps out freezer odors and prevents ice crystals. Freeze for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight for best results. Patience pays off with perfect sliceable cheesecake. All the work is done ahead. Just let the freezer do its magic. Imagine indulging in a velvety dream, a rich wave of chocolatey delight that sweeps you off your feet. Get excited for a fun-filled experience of decorating and indulging. Let the creativity flow as you dive into the deliciousness. Get ready for the showstopper. It's time to whip up some irresistible homemade fudge sauce. In a small saucepan, heat heavy cream over medium until it just simmers. Remove from heat and add chopped chocolate, corn syrup, and butter. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Don't stir yet. After 5 minutes, gently whisk from the center out until smooth and glossy. The corn syrup gives shine, the butter adds richness. That's it, your fudge sauce is ready. Serve it warm for a gooey drizzle or let it cool to thicken. If you make it ahead, store it in the fridge and reheat gently. This sauce takes your cheesecake from great to unforgettable. Simple, decadent, and absolutely worth it. Get ready to pour on the chocolate love. Get ready for the spectacular grand finale. It's time to bring the excitement to a whole new level. Time to add some sparkle. Let's get creative and decorate. Whip cold heavy cream with powdered sugar and vanilla until stiff peaks form. Don't overwhip or you'll get butter. Unmold your frozen cheesecake. Wrap a warm towel around the pan for easy release. Transfer to a serving platter. Spread or pipe whipped cream on top, rustic or fancy, your call. Sprinkle with chocolate shavings or mini chips for a bakery-worthy look. Make chocolate curls with a vegetable peeler and a chocolate bar. These simple touches make your cheesecake stunning. Stand back and admire your masterpiece. You've created something truly special. All that's left is to slice and serve. Let's get ready for the best part, eating. The moment of truth has arrived. It's time to dish out pure joy. For perfect slices, run a sharp knife under hot water, wipe dry, and cut. Repeat for each slice to keep them picture perfect. Place a slice on each plate. Warm your fudge sauce if needed, then drizzle generously over each slice. Watch the sauce melt into the cold cheesecake, pure magic. Hand out plates and watch the smiles appear. The first bite is a symphony, a crunchy crust, creamy filling, sweet whipped cream, and warm fudge. This dessert brings people together and creates memories. It's more than cheesecake, it's a celebration. Savor every bite, you've earned it. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Baking is where the magic happens. It's all about creating delicious memories and delightful treats that bring joy to our taste buds. Congratulations, you did it! The most delightful chocolate ice cream cheesecake ever is yours. We hope you had as much fun making it as we did sharing it. Show off your masterpiece. Share photos and tag us so we can see your creations. You can even share in the comments below. Your feedback and photos inspire us and our baking community. If you loved this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more sweet treat adventures. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching and baking with us today. Now enjoy that cheesecake. Until next time, happy baking!